The taste of this dish has a creamy flavor, and I also added some brown sugar in it, so there's a bit of sweetness, tanginess, spiciness in this dish. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a creamy sambal salmon steak. I have a salmon steak here. What I did was I had to paper towel it so that it is dry. This is a good hack. I'm going to try to cut it into half because, fish takes time to cook as well, and I don't want to cook it for too long. And I've got chili, tomatoes, and over here, I have coriander, and I also have something from my garden. I have this Thai basil leaves that gives a very nice aroma into the dish. And I have ginger and onions and brown sugar. Put in the garlic, like 2 pieces of garlic, a quarter of an onion, a medium-sized onion, and ginger. I'm going to add in the chili. Now, if you love your chili spicy, leave the seeds. If you don't like it spicy, take off the seed of the chili, okay? And I'm going to add in some brown sugar so that the sambal chili is sweet. Leaves of the Thai basil will make this dish a little lighter, and the fragrance is really strong. And some coriander. If you do not like coriander, just skip it, alright? Add a couple of ripened tomatoes and some water. Then you blend it until smooth into a chili paste. Now this dish reminds me of a dish that a nanny of mine actually cooked for me. The chili that she does, it's just so simple. And that is how we prepare the sambal paste. This is the texture of the sambal sauce. Just going to pour into a bowl. Now I'm going to cook the salmon steak. Heat up the pan, add a little salt to the salmon, olive oil, so the oil is heated up, skin side down. Saute the salmon steak with olive oil. So once the salmon is cooked and brown on each side, you can remove it from the pan and place onto your plate. So in the same pan, I'm going to add in some butter, and I'm going to put in the sambal mixture that I've blended just now. Rather spicy because you see the chili seed inside, but if you don't want them, you just remove the seed. So when you cook the sambal, you can actually keep them fresh in your fridge and reuse them again in the next batch of fish that you want to do. Fry it a little longer and add in 1 tablespoon of lemon. This will take away that fishy taste from the salmon. This is one good hack. Add in your cream. Give it a nice stir. Add in some salt. So it gets a very nice color, which is like the salmon color as well. So taste it. If you find that you want a little salty or you want a little bit more lemon, just add in extra, okay? And I'm going to pour it over my salmon steak. So you drizzle the side and just a little on top. You top up with the extra coriander, some fresh Thai basil. And here you go, my creamy sambal salmon steak. Give us a like and look forward for more recipes.